Hello everyone. Let's see what's new things have been launched in Firebase at Google I/O 2025. So Google I/O is one of the most exciting events of the year, and we are using this moment to share how we are helping you build the next generation of apps by providing an end-to-end platform to accelerate the complete application lifecycle. Specifically, we have been focused on helping you build full-stack AI apps easily, all from one place with Firebase Studio, giving you flexibility to integrate AI in your existing apps in the way that suits your needs through Firebase AI logic, optimizing development velocity with AI assistant and updates to app hosting, data connect, and more. If you're tuning in to IO, you can learn more about these launches in our What's New in Firebase session, or read on for a snapshot of what's new. Streamline full stack app development with Firebase Studio. We first introduced a preview of Firebase Studio, our new cloud-based AI workspace, last month at Cloud Next. With Firebase Studio, you can lean on AI assistant throughout your development to create fully functional apps with just prompts, or jump into the code thanks to the full power of customizable IDE and underlying VM. In just over a month, our community has created over 1.5 million workspaces. We recently announced the Firebase Studio is now powered by Gemini 2.5, Google's most intelligent model yet. For more feature-rich apps and more polished UIs, today we are unveiling new features that will give you great control over your app's design and help automate your backend setup. Bring Figma designs to life in Firebase Studio using the builder.io plugin. You can now import your app designs from Figma into Firebase Studio and then use Gemini in Firebase to add features and functionality. For example, Gemini can add additional screens or stitch together user flows by following your prompts in chat without requiring you to write any code. Image placeholder support. You can now easily swap basic placeholder images for high fidelity visuals with the app prototyping agent. Simply click the image you want and then search and select a replacement from Unsplash extensive library. Firebase backend integration. Another big update coming to the app prototyping agent is the ability to detect, setup, and provision your app's backend if your prompt includes a database or authentication. Firebase Studio will recommend Firebase authentication and Firestore in the app blueprint alongside other important components like AI resources and UI element. When you are ready to publish your app, Firebase Studio will provision your backend services to ensure your app data can be stored and retrieved properly and deployed it to Firebase app hosting. This feature started rolling out today and all users will get access soon. If you prefer a different stack or your needs change as your app grow, you can still jump into the coding workspace and extend your apps with any backend. To see full list of features for Firebase Studio and get tips on how to use them, check out this blog post. Enhance existing apps with AI using Firebase AI logic. Meet Firebase AI logic at Google I/O last year. We launched Vertex AI in Firebase so you could harness the capabilities of the Gemini family of models directly from your mobile and web apps. We also introduced the GenKit framework designed to give you a server-side solution for leveraging Gemini and other models. At I/O today, we are bringing these investments in AI tooling framework and SDKs closer together by evolving the Vertex AI in Firebase into Firebase AI logic. We are also releasing a slew of new features for our client integration. This includes direct access to the Gemini Developer API. With our client SDK, you can now use the Gemini Developer API alongside the already available Vertex AI Gemini API to directly integrate Google's Gemini and ImageGen models into your app. Plus, you can use Firebase App Check to verify client request and Firebase Remote Config to enable dynamic updates to prompts, model parameters, and feature flags. Hybrid inference with Gemini Nano on Chrome. Firebase AI logic allows you to do on-device inference with Gemini Nano or use a cloud-hosted Gemini model if on-device capabilities are unavailable. This lets your app offer faster, more private, and potentially offline AI capabilities to user when AI tasks are executed locally. Gemini API in Unity and Android XR. We are releasing a preview of the Firebase AI Logic SDK for Unity, so you can now integrate Gemini model into your games and Android XR experiences. Image generation with Gemini. You could already access ImageGen models client side for text to image generation. Now we have made it possible to generate and edit image using the multimodal capabilities of Gemini. expanded AI monitoring dashboard. We have added new insight into usage patterns, performance metrics, and debugging information from Firebase AI Logic Client SDK to the AI monitoring dashboard, so you can optimize your AI implementation and create better experiences for user. While Firebase AI Logic's Client SDK excel at simplifying client-side model access, many AI applications require server-side flexibility and integration. For this scenario, we offer Jenkit, our powerful open source framework that supports server-side deployment in Firebase AI Logic. You can learn more about Jenkit's key feature and recent releases here. Optimizing development velocity with AI assistant and other updates across our platform. An early look at the Firebase Model Context Protocol MCP server. Transforming your app with generative AI goes beyond just adding AI powered feature. It also means accelerating your app development with AI assistant. Today we are giving you a first look at Firebase Model Context Protocol server in the Firebase CLI. The Firebase MCP server allows AI assistant tools to directly interact with Firebase resources and service. With the Firebase MCP server, you can create Firebase projects and apps and download the correct SDK configuration. Answer question about your production apps Firebase backend. Example, what provider did user at example.com use to create their account, or list my Firestore collection, grab 3 documents from each and use it to create summary of my data model. Highlight the most important crashes occurring in production and their impact on users to troubleshoot issues in context, trigger changes to the user environment, or set up databases, set auth claims, etc. More ways to deploy with app hosting and automatic emulator configuration. Firebase app hosting lets you build and deploy modern full stack web apps with the security and scalability of Google Cloud. Now there are 2 new ways to seamlessly deploy your web apps even if you aren't using GitHub to store your source code. Deploy your source code right from your local machine with the Firebase CLI. If you have other Firebase deployments like security rules in place, everything will now deploy from one command. Use Terraform. Speed up rollouts and have greater control by skipping the build process entirely when you use Terraform to deploy your own container image instead of relying on app hosting to build from your source code. Finally, if you are using the Firebase emulator suite to run your web app and backend Firebase services locally, app hosting will now automatically use the emulated version of these services instead of production, so you can safely test your app without risking your production data. Check out more updates to the Firebase app hosting, AI powered onboarding and schema generation in Data Connect. Firebase Data Connect gives you the ability to build secure, scalable with Cloud SQL for PostgreSQL. Use Gemini in Firebase to simplify schema creation or during onboarding. Help craft and refine your projects, and mutations work freely in the console. Firebase Studio or VS Code with the Gemini Code Assist and Data Connect extension. Perform more sophisticated data retrieval, improve efficiency, and scale more easily with transactions that support additional server values and multi-step capabilities. Coming soon, Firebase phone number verification. Whenever possible, we try to leave you with sneak peeks of things we are working on, but not quite ready for launch at I/O in the Chrome booth. We are showcasing a demo of phone number verification which is coming to Firebase later this year. Soon you will be able to streamline user onboarding, reduce verification cost, and eliminate SMS abuse vectors by directly obtaining verified phone numbers for your app users from their subscribed carriers. Stay tuned. Bringing AI to every app developer as AI continues to rapidly reshape the technology and tools you use every day. We remain committed to helping you navigate this profound moment with confidence and ease. As AI transform what apps are possible and how they are developed, we will continue to transform Firebase into the app development platform of the future. You can stay up to date on the latest news and best practices on using all Firebase products by subscribing to our YouTube channel, reading our blog, and following us on X and LinkedIn. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.